Crashed again. Bad edit.
Horrible audio
keeps
balance.
freezing.
This edit.
Bad edit.
Worst sound quality, this edit. Keeps crashing constantly.
Screen frozen entirely. Bad edit.
This is useless. Hours of editing and it still looks like trash. If only I had a high-end PC, I could make an actual movie.
Ha! You think expensive gear makes a movie. Don't be foolish. A masterpiece is made in the mind, not the machine.
Easy for you to say. This footage is flat and boring. Without Premiere Pro, how can I bring this to life?
You are trapped by your own excuses, not your setup. What if I told you you can get that exact Hollywood level on CapCut?
CapCut? You are joking. How can a simple app beat a $1,000 PC?
It is not the app, it is how you use it. Sit back and watch.
Just watch. Yeah, guys. A lot of people think that to make a Hollywood-level cinematic video, you need a crazy expensive PC and paid editing software. But that's not the real story. A cinematic video isn't just about shooting with a high-quality camera. A video becomes cinematic because of the depth inside it, the way the speed changes, how it cuts to the rhythm of the music, and the colors. If you want to get that cinematic feel without a big PC, with CapCut on your small PC, you definitely need to use these 7 secret tips. These 7 tips are the cinematic secrets that those big editors use. I'm going to show you exactly how to use them in your videos, step by step, without any issues. But by the time you finish this video, you'll realize the reason you couldn't make cinematic videos all this time wasn't because you lacked technical skills. It was something else. Let's get into trick number 1. Text behind person. This effect places text behind the person in your video, but in front of the background. It gives your video a crazy cinematic 3D look. Import your video and drag it onto the timeline. Go to the text tab in the top menu and drag the default text onto the timeline right above your video. Click on the text, type what you want in the right panel, and adjust the font and color. Place the text wherever you want on the screen. Now, right-click on your original video in the timeline and hit copy or press Ctrl C. Right-click on an empty space in the timeline and hit paste or press Ctrl V. Click on that newly pasted video layer and drag it right above the text layer. So the order now is the new video on top, the text in the middle, and the original video at the bottom. Click to select that topmost video layer. Go to the video tab in the right menu and scroll down to remove BG. Check the box for auto removal. It will take a few seconds to process. Now, play it back, and as the person moves, the text stays perfectly behind them. It looks like the text is physically inside your video. Number 2, advanced speed ramping. Velocity editing is when you don't keep the speed constant. You make it fast in some parts and slow in others. This brings massive hype to action scenes and dance videos. Drop your video onto the timeline and click to select it. Go to the speed tab in the top right menu. Next to normal, click on the curve option. Click once on custom. Then click the small edit button, the one with the pencil icon right on that custom box. Now you will see a line with yellow dots on the screen. These are keyframes. If you drag those yellow dots up where you want the video to speed up, drag them down where you want it to slow down. Adjust this to match the beat of your music. When the video plays, it will speed up out of nowhere and drop right into slow motion, matching the beat of the music perfectly. Number 3, optical flow, smooth slow motion. Usually, when you slow down a video, it gets super choppy because the frame rate drops. But when you use optical flow, CapCut's AI generates brand new frames, giving you a buttery, smooth slow-mo, just like you shot it on an expensive camera. Select your video on the timeline, go to the speed tab on the right and select normal. Drag the time slider down, for example, to 0.5 times or 0.2 times. Right below that slider, you will see a small box called Smooth Slow-Mo. Check that box. Click the small drop-down arrow next to it. Select the optical flow option. Now just wait a bit while CapCut processes it. You will see the progress on the screen. A video that usually lags when slowed down will now play as an incredibly smooth, flawless slow motion clip. Number 4, motion tracking. Drag a text or sticker layer right above your video on the timeline. Click to select that text or sticker layer. Click the tracking tab in the top right menu. Choose the motion tracking option. Now a yellow box will appear on your main video screen. Place that box over the thing you want to track, like someone's face or a car. Grab the corner of the box and resize it to fit the object perfectly. Then, hit the blue start button in the right menu. Wait for the processing to finish, play the video, and you will see your text or sticker sticking perfectly to the object and following it wherever it goes. Number 5, color match. Man, color match is an insane AI trick. It lets you copy the colors from your favorite movie or any cinematic video and apply them directly to your video with just one click. Keep your main video on the timeline, import the reference video or photo with the colors you want to copy, and place it to the side on the timeline. Now, click to select your main video, the one you want to edit. Go to the Adjust tab in the right menu and click on Basic. Scroll down and check the box for color match. Now, either drag and drop that reference video from the timeline into the empty box, or click the dropper icon and click on the reference video. After that, use the intensity slider below it to adjust how strong you want the colors. Usually, between 50 and 70% is the sweet spot. Your standard dull phone video instantly gets the cinematic colors of your reference video, giving it a professional look in seconds. Number 6, auto beat syncing. A lot of people cut their videos manually by listening to the audio, but AutoBeat uses AI to detect exactly where the beat drops and marks it for us. This makes your video cuts match the music flawlessly. Import an audio or music track and drag it onto the timeline. Right-click directly on that audio track. In the menu that pops up, click on Auto Beats. A small window will appear. Click on either Beat 1 or Beat 2. In a few seconds, yellow dots will appear all over your music track on the timeline. Now drag your video clips onto the timeline. Move the playhead, that white line, to those yellow dots. Now when you play the video, right as the beat drops, boom, the scene changes at that exact millisecond. It gives the viewer incredible rhythm. Number 7, keyframe graphs. Keyframe graphs, you can add a super smooth, natural feel to that movement. Select a video, go to Video in the right menu, and click on Basic. Click the diamond-shaped icon next to Scale. That is your Add Keyframe button. Move the playhead a bit forward in the video, and zoom the video in a little more. A new diamond icon will be created automatically. Now, right-click on one of those keyframes on the video clip in the timeline. Click on Show Keyframe Animation from the menu. This will show you the graphs between the two keyframes. Choose a preset that fits. For example, if you pick Ease Out, the movement will slow down smoothly right at the end. Instead of a robotic, constant zoom, you get a highly professional animation that starts fast and slows down smoothly at the end. Wow, I can't believe this. It looks exactly like a high-budget movie, all inside CapCut.
See? Do you finally understand? Your mistake was never about the PC or the software.
So, I was just holding myself back? Blaming the gear was just an excuse to hide my fear?
Exactly. You were afraid your ideas weren't good enough, but now you know the truth.
To tell a great story, I don't need expensive gear. I just need my ideas and the courage to start.
That is the fire you need. With these 7 tips, your weapon is ready. Go edit your masterpiece right now. And if you guys found your fire today, drop a like. See you in the next video.